Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. Today we're talking about windows that are hard to reach. And normally we do lots and lots of motorization. But in this case, the client knew that they were going to be leaving the shades in the same position most of the time and didn't want the hassle of climbing up and down these stairs. I'll show you. Big set of stairs and the windows up above. So they didn't want to have to set up ladders and all that to change out batteries. So we're using this guy right here. I don't know if that's showing up because it's right next to me. But this is the manual method using a wand in order to control these shades. Let's take a look as we do it. So we're going to come over to a window. Oops. I dropped my glasses. But as you can see here, this window, that's eye level. And it's way up there. I can't reach it. It's probably 5 feet above my head. But with this wand, we just grab the wand. And I'm trying to do this with the camera. It's not the easiest thing. We just line it up right there. And it's grabbed it. And now I can move it up. Or I can move it down. And it's very easy to do. Just spin it to get it off. And that's all it takes to control these shades. So if you have a window that is hard to reach, just know that you do have options. You don't have to do motorization. I still love it, but if you want to use the wand, it is available. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.